Hey, this is David. Today I'm going to show you how to test the element switch on the electric GE range when its surface elements won't heat. The element switch regulates the electricity that flows to the heating elements and controls their temperature based on your range settings. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. All we're going to need today is a Phillips head screwdriver and a multimeter. And please remember that safety comes first. There are two ways we can check the surface element switch. Both of these tests require dealing with live voltage, so the range needs to be plugged in and powered on. Please be very careful to protect yourself from electrical shock, which has the potential to cause serious injuries. Don't ever test live voltage if you're uncomfortable using a multimeter. For the first testing option, we can set a multimeter to AC voltage. You're going to put one probe in one slot of the terminal block and the other probe in the other slot, then turn the switch on. If your multimeter reads 240 volts AC, then your switch is sending the right amount of voltage to the element. Another way we can test the switch is to follow the two wires from the receptacle back to the switch and turn the switch on. We need to remove the two Phillips head screws at each corner of the console. Then we can lift up and back to expose the switches. We need to check the voltage at the two terminals that the wires from the receptacle went to. In our case, they are the two purple wires. When you turn the switch on, you should see a reading of 240 volts on the multimeter. If the voltage isn't correct, there's either incorrect voltage going to the switch, or the switch is defective and not sending the right amount of voltage to the element. If the switch is good, then something else is preventing your surface element from heating. To reassemble, just rotate the console back into place, then reinstall the two screws. If your surface element switch is good, you can check out our other troubleshooting guides to find out what might be preventing your range from heating. We've got thousands of videos to help you diagnose your appliance and make repairs. If your element switch is faulty, you can order a replacement at AppliancePartsPros.com so you can repair it yourself. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. If you like this video, let us know by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you for your support, and we'll see you next time.